SPIPHONE A10 Pro, and let me show you how to check IMEI number and also serial number on the following device. So let's start with the first method. You have to open the phone dealer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. 06 pound. And that's it. As you can see here, you will find both IMEI numbers for both slots to SIM cards to your device. Click on OK to go back. And now let's go to the second method. At first you have to open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select About Phone. And now go to the status, so it's the second tab, and a bit lower you will notice IMEI information, and over here you will notice both IMEI numbers. And let me go back, and a bit lower, just under Bluetooth address, you will notice a serial number for your SPIPHONE. And that would be all. This is how you can locate two truly unique and important numbers for your device, for your SPIPHONE A10 Pro. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.